Are you really living, or are you just existing? Take a moment, breathe deeply, and be honest with yourself. Most people dream about a better life. They dream about travel, freedom, money, love, respect, and happiness. But day after day, they do nothing to make those dreams real. Think about yesterday. Did you grow? Did you take one step toward your dream? Or did you spend hours scrolling, watching random videos, and waiting for the right time? If you are honest, maybe you see the truth. You are wasting the most valuable thing you have: your time. This is not just another English practice video. This is a mirror. I want you to see clearly the life you are living right now. Because if you keep waiting, nothing will change. Your life will pass by, and your dreams will fade. But here's the good news. You can change today. You can change now. This video will wake you up, push you forward, and help you learn English while building a stronger life. So, let's begin. Lesson 1. Time is your life. Time is not just numbers on a clock. It is not only morning, afternoon, or night. Time is your life. Every second you live is a part of your story. Every hour is a page in your book. When you waste time, you are not just wasting minutes, you are wasting your own life. Think about this. You are not killing time. Time is killing you. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," time is moving. Every time you scroll for one more hour, time is moving. Every time you hit snooze and go back to sleep, time is moving. The clock never stops, and every tick takes you closer to the end. Every wasted minute is life lost forever. You do not feel it now, but it is real. You are getting older. Your parents are getting older. Your energy is going down. Your dreams are waiting, but they will not wait forever. One day, you will look back and ask, "Where did all my time go?" So, here is the solution. Start valuing your hours like gold. Write down a simple daily plan. Cut 1 hour of social media and use it to read, learn, or grow. Focus on one action that moves you forward. Because time can be your friend, but only if you respect it. Lesson 2. Stop blaming, start winning. Many people spend years blaming others for their problems. They blame their parents for not supporting them. They blame society for being unfair. They blame money, their school, or even their past. But here is the truth. Blaming does not change anything. Blaming keeps you stuck in the same place. Winners think differently. Winners say, "I'll build from nothing." They don't cry about what they didn't get. They don't wait for someone to save them. Instead, they decide to use what they have, even if it is small, and they begin. That is how true success starts. Think about J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. She was a single mother, living with very little money, and facing rejection from publishers again and again. But she refused to give up. She wrote, she improved, and she believed in her story. Today, she is one of the most famous authors in the world. She did not blame. She built. So what about you? The solution is simple but powerful. Accept responsibility for your life. Write down your problems, but don't stop there. Write one solution for each. Then take small daily actions. It might be one word of English, one page of a book, or one new step toward your dream. Every action counts. Stop blaming. Start building. Because your life is in your hands. Lesson 3. Comfort zone is a trap. Comfort feels good. Staying in bed feels good. Watching videos, scrolling on your phone, or doing the same routine every day feels safe. But comfort is dangerous. Comfort kills your dreams quietly. It makes you feel relaxed. But inside, your growth is dying. There is no growth in the comfort zone. Success does not live there. Comfort gives you rest, but it never gives you progress. If you stay comfortable, your life will stay the same. Think about learning English. You can watch videos and take notes forever, but if you never speak, you will never grow. You must make mistakes. You must sound strange. You must feel nervous. That is how you improve. The same is true in business. If you wait for a safe plan, you will never start. You need to risk failure, face rejection, and learn by doing. Every successful person grew outside of comfort. So, here is the solution. Do one uncomfortable thing every day. Speak English out loud, even if you are afraid. Post your work online, even if people laugh. Try something new, even if you fail. Each uncomfortable step is a step toward your dream. Remember, comfort feels nice for a moment, but courage builds your future. Lesson 4. I'll do it later is the biggest lie. I'll do it later. These 4 words are the biggest lie you tell yourself. They sound harmless, but they are dangerous. Later feels safe, but it is really a trap. Later keeps you stuck. Later is the enemy of your dreams. Because the truth is simple. Later means never. Time doesn't wait for you. The clock is moving whether you are ready or not. If you say, later today, tomorrow will look the same. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and soon years are gone. And your dream is still waiting. I once knew a man who always said he wanted to start a YouTube channel. He said, I'll do it when I have better equipment. 2 years passed. He never started. Now, someone else has the channel he dreamed about, with thousands of followers. He told me, that could have been me. But it wasn't because he waited. So here is the solution. Stop lying to yourself. Set a 10-minute timer and start now. Don't wait for the perfect mood or the perfect plan. Just take one small action, write one sentence, record one video, learn one word. Small actions done now are better than big dreams saved for later. Lesson 5. You versus you. Your biggest enemy is not your teacher, not your boss, not your family, not even your phone. Your biggest enemy is you. The part of you that says, I'm tired, I'll quit, I'll stay the same. Inside you, there are two versions: the lazy you that wants comfort and the ambitious you that wants success. The scared you that hides and the brave you that speaks. The weak you says, rest more. The strong you says, get up and fight. Every day, one of them wins. Imagine there are two wolves living inside you. One wolf is lazy, full of fear, full of excuses. The other wolf is strong, hungry, full of courage. Which wolf wins? The answer is simple: the one you feed. If you feed laziness, it grows. If you feed discipline, it grows. So here is the solution. Start tracking your daily wins. Write them down. Did you learn one new word? Did you speak one sentence? Celebrate that. Small victories build confidence. Small victories build identity. Slowly, you become the strong version of yourself. You versus you, that is the real battle. And if you win against yourself each day, no one else can stop you. Lesson 6. Work on your willpower. Your feelings are liars. You don't always feel like waking up early. You don't feel like studying English today. You don't feel like exercising or working on your goals. But if you only follow feelings, you will waste your life. Success comes when you act, even when you don't feel like it. Willpower is like a muscle. At first, it feels weak. You try to resist temptation, and you fail. But the more you train, the stronger it becomes. Just like lifting weights builds your body, practicing discipline builds your willpower. Every small act of control makes you more powerful tomorrow. For example, I knew someone who wanted to stop using his phone late at night. At first, he failed almost every time. He said, just 5 more minutes. But with practice, he improved. He turned his phone off, put it in another room, and reminded himself of his goal. Slowly, he built the strength to win against his own habit. Here is the solution. Start small. Choose one thing you don't want to do and do it anyway. Build daily discipline. And speak to yourself like a leader. I don't break promises to myself. When you master your willpower, you take back control of your life. Lesson 7. Comparison is killing you. Social media is full of shiny pictures, luxury cars, perfect bodies, and smiling faces. But comparing yourself to these images will destroy your confidence. The more you compare, the more you feel behind, weak, and unworthy. Comparison is a thief that steals your joy and progress. But remember, you are only seeing their highlights, not their struggles. You see 15 seconds of their life, but not the 24 hours they live. You don't see the nights they cried, the failures they faced, or the rejections they suffered. You see the victory, but not the battle. And yet, You use their highlights to judge your own worth. That is not fair. Think about the ocean and the sky. The ocean is deep and powerful. The sky is wide and endless. If the ocean compares itself to the sky, it may feel small. If the sky compares itself to the ocean, it may feel empty. But both are beautiful in their own way. You are the same. Time is life. Every minute you waste is a piece of your future gone forever. Stop blaming others and take full responsibility for your path. Escape the comfort zone, because safety may feel nice, but it kills your growth. Never trust the words, "I'll do it later." Later often means never. The battle is always you versus you, the lazy version versus the strong version. Feed the strong one. Build your willpower every day, like training a muscle. And remember, comparing yourself to others only destroys your confidence. You don't need to be like them. You need to be the best version of yourself. These are not just ideas, they are choices. And every choice creates your life. Take one action today, even if it is small. Speak one sentence in English. Read one page. Do one thing that brings you closer to your dream. Your time is now. Use it well. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next video.